I'm going to show you how to export STL files of Lego models. So there is a very good software that can help you do that, and it's called LDView. So this is the website where you need to download it from, tcobbs.github.io. So to download it, just scroll down and then press downloads, and then install version 4.4 for Mac OS. So you just need to do that, and then I've already got it installed. But what you need to do is that it asks if you want to install the entire LDraw library, and you need to say yes to that, because that's the library where it has all of the Lego CAD files. Except the problem with it is that they're not STL files, they're DAT files. It's just a way of different file format. But using LDView, we can export them as STLs. So once you got that installed, it should show a window saying where your LDraw library is. For me, it's in library/LDraw. So to open that, we have to go to terminal. So in terminal, we have to write the command open/library/ remember to put a tilde at the beginning of that, library/LDraw for me. It might be different for you, and then /parts. So now that's going to open up a Finder folder, and then it'll show up like this. Let's say you want to find part 32523, which I believe is a Lego Technic 3 beam. So let's try it. 32523.dat. It should open up in LDView, I mean. So yeah, it is. And here we go. We have this 3 beam right here. And then now to export it as an STL, we can just click File and then Export, or Command E. It'll take some time change so yeah, it's a little annoying. It takes time, but there isn't really a good CAD thing for this, and I believe LDraw has every single Lego piece, so it's better than any other variety. So goodbye.